name's Kurt. This is our new cutting machine. Well, really not so new. We've had it for about 6 months now. It's been fantastic. What I'm going to do is going to walk around and show you some of the features of it. The first thing is our rolls of material. We're near the end of a roll, but our rolls are typically about 200 pounds, anywhere from 8 feet wide to 10 feet wide. This is a 8-foot wide roll. It's on a precision bar. It's got an air bladder. These bars have an air bladder on it. So you fill it with air, the bladder swells, grabs onto the roll. Real nice, perfectly precision roller bar. The other thing, this is the most important thing on it, this is an edge control. It's a laser edge control. So that when our netting gets out of whack here, the whole carriage slides back and forth and readjusts it. Sometimes when you're doing like an 80-foot run, you're trying to cut an 80-foot panel or something like this, this is absolutely critical. The next feature I want to show you is they put on a X-ray light. We cut mosquito netting here, and sometimes there's defects in the fabric, so we need to see those defects very clearly, so they have this X-ray light. There's also, this is a electronic counter. The purpose of this machine, what it basically does is it slices and cuts the width and basically just drops a rectangle to the floor. So I can cut basically any rectangle out of this piece of material and it just simply drops it to the floor. Used to take us on another machine that they built us, used to take us about 8 or 10 minutes. Now it just takes us, a matter of seconds to cut these. Right over here, stay right there, Mike. Right here, this is my slitter. So as the fabric comes through, this knife will slit it. And then over here, this is our control panel. This is where we enter in all the information. And over here, Mike, this is our cross-cutting machine. The cross-cutting machine, this is our knife. It's got these bars that clamp down. Everything here runs on air except for the X-ray light and the computer. It's actually pretty incredible. So it's got a lot of fail-safes on it, things that keep it from getting damaged. This knife, it's impossible for this knife to go until these bars are down. A lot of really, really good fail-safe features here. It's really hard to mess it up. Boy, we got this thing in about 5 months. They delivered it, another month or two of tweaking. They came out 2-3 times just to fine-tune it. And this thing is really, it's deadly accurate. If I'm cutting 36 feet, a 36-foot run, and this is an elastic type of material too. A 36-foot run is within like 1/4 to 1/2 inch in terms of the measurements. So we'll stop here and we'll show you how this thing works.